Good morning, friends. In today's lecture, we are going to solve problems on V-belt drive. In previous lectures, we have solved problems on flat belt drive. I will take the statement. A V-belt drive transmits 10 kilowatt power. Power is given as 10 kilowatt at 200 rpm. N is given as 200 rpm. The grooved pulley has a mean diameter. The grooved pulley has a mean diameter. He has given the diameter of the grooved pulley. It is 1.2 meter, and the grooved angle is 45 degree. Grooved angle is nothing but 2 alpha. It is 45. If you see the sketch of the V belt drive, in that whatever the tapered shape is there, in that the grooved angle is 2 alpha. He has given that angle 2 alpha. Taking the coefficient of friction as 0.25. Coefficient of friction is given, it is 0.25, and the angle of lap is 190 degree. Means the contact between the belt and pulley angle is 190 degrees, that is theta is given. You need to determine the tension on each side of the belt. You need to find out T1 and T2, tension in tight side and tension in slack side. When V belt drive problems are given, at that time the belt tension formula will change. Belt tension is equal to T1 by T2 is equal to e raised to mu theta. You will take it for flat belt drive. In our case, he has given V belt drive. For that reason, you have to take e raised to mu theta divided by sine alpha. In this, you have to substitute the value of alpha. For that reason, I have taken semi groove angle. Therefore, 2 alpha is equal to 45. Take this 2 to the denominator. It will be 45 divided by 2. It will be 22.5. That is nothing but semi groove angle, which you can substitute in belt tension for V belt drive. And the angle is given in degree. In the formula which you are going to substitute in power transmitted, in that it should be in radians. For that reason, multiply it with pi divided by 180, you will get, or the degree will be converted into radians. Now substitute the value of mu, it is given as 0.25, theta radian it is 3.316, sine alpha is 22.5. Okay, you solve the equation, you will get the value as e raised to this will be 2.166. Oh, sorry, it is not 2.166, it will be 8.72. Now take this t to the right hand side, it will be t1 is equal to 8.72 into t2. Call this as equation 1. In this same equation, two unknowns are there. Now we'll see what are the possible way of finding the tension. In the given data, power is given, N is given, means you can use power transmitted formula. Power transmitted is equal to T1 minus T2 into velocity of the belt divided by 1000. He has given the diameter and the speed of the pulley is given. Therefore, velocity of the belt is equal to pi d n divided by 60. Substitute the value of d. It is given as 1.2 meter diameter, and n is given as 200. If you solve that, velocity of the belt will be 12.56 meters per second. Substitute that value in the above equation. From equation 1, we know the value of T1. T1 value is 8.72 into T2. This should be 8.72 into T2 minus T2. I am substituted the value of T1. It is 8.72 into T2 minus T2. V value is 2.56 divided by 1000. In this, you can take T2 common. After solving this equation, you will get the value as 103.13 Newton. And from equation 1, we know the value of T1. It is 8.72 into T2. Now you have calculated the value of T2. Substitute that in equation 1. You will get the value of T1. Therefore, T1 is 899.3 Newton. Thank you for watching. Notes I have provided a link. You can download that in the description. Thank you for watching.